morning, Mary. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tang Yuan. These are the ingredients.
Glutinous flour,
Glutinous flour, water,
red.
egg.
Okay, while stirring, add water slowly. Okay, stir. Okay.
Now we have to make them up into small balls.
Okay, roll it into a ball.
Ball.
Very good. Can you flatten it with your palm? Lightly. Okay, show me the flattened part. Okay, then can you set it on the plate now? Good. Okay. Okay, then do the same for the rest. Okay, so with a flattened piece. Okay. Use a spoon. Take the red bean paste and put it in the middle. Okay, then what you do, you seal it up. Okay, make sure you seal tight. If not, when you boil, what's gonna happen? Yeah, it will burst, correct. And then the Tang Yuan will not be Tang Yuan anymore. Okay, the red bean paste will come out in the soup. Once you're done, set it onto the plate again. Got it?
Now we are ready to boil the aboli
The Tang Yuan.
Tang Yuan.
Sarah, how do you know that the Tang Yuan is done?
When they float up.
When they float up. So,
Yeah.
have they floated up?
Two is floating up.
Okay, so when those two are floating up, it means that
One float up already.
okay,
When finding to stir some more.
means you need to stir some more. Means you can take it out. Okay, once it floated, it means that the Tang Yuan is done.